Guys, welcome. And in this review, I'm doing a review of a video that I've actually done before, and somebody made a comment. The video was to talk about a strategy whereby you can actually start making earnings on a daily basis. Okay, and it's just, if you watch a video on my YouTube channel, you would see that I was talking about setting up a new account, creating some value with Getresponse. Getresponse is an email solution. You can actually go to their website and you can confirm their products and their packages and what have you. Okay, they have been available since past 20 years. Is not against saying, but then somebody then threw a statement that interestingly, I bet you never get $100 a day with Getresponse. Well, this is a target, and I think this person is actually encouraging me to really improve my strategy, and I really say thank you. And when you look at my the video, I mentioned a strategy, or I mentioned two strategies. The first strategy is teach and grow rich using YouTube channel. Teach and grow rich using YouTube channel. It means that you have to create a YouTube channel, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. I create videos. On web-based marketing solution. Okay, and basically I have I'm just growing it. I have small subscribers now, and I have tons of videos, almost like some videos, beneficial videos on Facebook ads and what have you. So basically, why am I giving a review of this? Before now, affiliate marketing, there are so many affiliate marketing programs. Okay, we have For Share, we have Messenger Panda, JVZoo, Max. There are tons of affiliate marketing, CJ and what have you. And for real, affiliate marketing works, as in you earn. All you need is just come sign up for an affiliate marketing program and pick a program. Join any of the programs. Okay, join any of the programs, and you talk about the value of the program. You talk about the value of the program. You talk about, you can review the program, can review the product or what have you, and there is what is called an affiliate link. Okay, that affiliate link is what you are going to insert, or you are going to provide for anybody who is interested. Okay, like this is an affiliate link. If anybody watches this tutorial and is interested in this, okay, and for the record, I have not started earning. You can see the affiliate links, those who have actually visited since the first day, though probably because I have little audience and what have you, but I'm not in haste. Okay, this is an affiliate link. I just have to copy the affiliate link, and I have affiliate visits, and none of them have actually even created a free account or paid account, or now start making any earnings. But then there are other affiliate programs that I have actually been doing for a very long time, and I have been making earnings from such affiliate programs. And I can boldly tell you that affiliate programs or affiliate marketing programs actually works. I'm not giving you a wide guess. I'm giving you something proven, and I'm not saying you are going to get rich quick now today, but it's a target that you can actually work towards. And that was why I said, I replied appreciating this person, that really I appreciate this. Okay, but I really need to explain that there is a job to be done. You have to start creating content, you have to start teaching something, and once you are doing that, you are liable, you are very, very much liable to make earnings. You may make your earnings directly from Getresponse. Okay, you can make your earnings directly from Getresponse affiliate link, or other affiliate programs that you have actually joined. Okay, then you can also start building a list. like I have started doing some videos talking about the features of Getresponse application, and you can start building a list whereby you can remarket to them. You can remarket to your list. The money is always in the list. Teach something, add some valuable information. Probably you have a website. Okay, I'm going to do a full-time tutorial course. It's going to be free. As soon as this package is ready, I'm going to review this description and I'm going to put the link. So probably you may be watching it now. Check the link. There will be a free 7 days daily free guide. I will just be sending how you do it, how you set it up. I'm going to get to so many of these applications, so many of these affiliate programs that you can actually join and you create value. The most important thing is understand that you have to create value. You have to create value. It is not get rich quick. And please, if some people still do not believe that affiliate marketing is also a passive way of you can create an automation, like in this system, views will keep growing. I can bet you the views will still growing on this channel probably in the next few months or thereabout, as my subscribers also grow and the engagement, like this engagement grows, the views will also keep growing, and some people will need the solution of email marketing to build their products, to build their marketing, to run their sales and what have you, and they would definitely need this guide. And if they need this guide, I can boldly tell you that some of them, not all, some of them would click through the link and register, because sign up is always free. And when they sign up, you would end up seeing that this affiliate visit link would turn to create accounts, turn to paid accounts, and actually in other words turn to earning commissions. But it is not a get rich quick. Okay, there is no get rich quick in this system. Meanwhile, as much as I need to explain and re-establish the fact that affiliate marketing model works, I need to also say that this is a target. Get how to earn is a target. I'm teaching how to do something. I'm not teaching that is a target that anybody can walk through the model. And if you have any other model, if you have been doing something that is proven, that has also been paying you, that you have earned some income from, you can actually share with us in the description so that people can actually learn from what you have gotten, what you know, and we can always appreciate. Now the second concept where is I talk about building subscriber list, which is an email subscriber list. You still need to give your subscriber list something valuable before you grow rich. There is nothing. It is not a means whereby you just say you take something for nothing. You have to do the work. You have to give in the value. You have to add. You too can actually run the solution, and you are going to see the value they offer. You are going to be convinced, and you have opportunity of building your subscriber list and start making something valuable, teach something valuable, add something valuable to your subscribers needs, and you have more potential of growing your earnings. Okay, and if you now keep doing this and you automate it, and that is where the issue of Getresponse automation comes in. That is where the opportunity of autoresponders come in, marketing automation, and what so many things you can do. Like some of the videos I'm doing, you can actually sign up and use webinars. You create a webinars, you are going to have opportunity of creating your landing pages. You can create a webinar, which is a video record of what you want to offer or the value you want to offer, and you set up a sales automation whereby people would keep receiving email from leveraging Getresponse, receiving emails, and you can still basically be making sales, okay, and you can still basically make income, earnings from affiliate selling physical product, digital products, and do so many other things you can do with affiliate. And of course, Getresponse is not the only one out there. Like I've shown you some, you can actually use some of these solutions. And me personally, I've been using affiliates with CJ, JVZoo, and Messenger Panda. They are very good affiliate programs that have good products that you can actually invest or sell or you promote, and there are so many opportunities out there. Okay, so even as I have been able to explain to you that this is a target, this is a medium to achieve this target. I'm not saying that this target is not achievable, and I'm not saying that this target is the process. It is the result of so many processes. So you have to get that. Even though you may be new to this affiliate concept of a thing, I'm going to do a free guide. Check the description below. I'm going to do a free guide of 7 days, free, nothing added. You just need to watch the step by step how to build a website, web development, and affiliate marketing, and how you can actually set up your solution. And it's as simple as do it yourself. So the free guide will be coming up. Check the description and you are going to see a landing page where you are going to just sign up, and you will be receiving emails on a daily basis for the next 7 days. And for the comments here, I really say thank you. If you have any comments, any other comments, I will appreciate it. Mr. X, I really appreciate that. I always want to have an interaction with my community, and I will grow. If there's anything I can do, if it's something I need to really work and improve myself on, I will do that. And if it's something that is not viable and is not proven, and I can definitely remove the video from my channel, because I am not looking at, I'm building a community whereby I interact with members of my community. And basically what we do is we do tutorials on web-based marketing solution. If you look at our playlist, we have tons of solutions that we have. Okay, this is an affiliate marketing series that I said I'm going to share with those, the free guides, those who would actually sign up. So we have so many solutions that we are coming up with, and there are so many guides available. You just need to pick and go through. Having said this, kindly follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Visit my blog, be a member of my community, interact. If you need any support from me, and most of my supports are free, okay, because I'm creating value in the marketplace. So you will see my description, my information, my social media links in the description, and you can just DM me. You can DM me on Instagram or chat me up on Facebook or even WhatsApp. There is a link in the description that you can do that. I'm going to add some value or support as much as I can. So thank you. And if you have any other clarification or questions, kindly put in the description. I will take my time to address it. I will take my time to review if it's worth adding 1 or 2 comments, acknowledging. I will do that as much as I can. Thank you and God bless.